As core infrastructure, industrial networks in sectors such as smart manufacturing, energy, and transportation are undergoing digital transformation. Environments with extreme temperatures, persistent moisture, severe dryness, or high levels of electromagnetic interference pose serious challenges to the reliability of conventional network hardware. What devices can operate reliably in these harsh conditions while ensuring high performance? Huawei's industrial-grade data communication devices deliver high reliability and usability tailored for industrial demands. How do Huawei devices overcome these challenges? With an industrial-grade design, they can operate within an extensive working temperature range of 40 degrees Celsius to plus 75 degrees Celsius. Features such as IP41 protection, dual power supply, and plus or minus 7 kV surge protection ensure reliability in harsh industrial conditions. Huawei industrial-grade devices support ERPS ring networking, enabling fast failover in 10 milliseconds to ensure service continuity. Campus switches equipped with MLAG achieve fast convergence within 50 milliseconds upon service faults, ensuring uninterrupted services across industrial campuses. Huawei industrial-grade devices are engineered for flexible deployment in complex environments, such as DIN rail mounting and rack mounting modes. Some models feature a compact 1U 44mm design, meeting installation needs in space-constrained environments, such as production line-side, roadside, and outdoor pole-mounted cabinets. Huawei Xinghe intelligent high-quality industrial campus network solution delivers a stable, reliable, and user-friendly network, enabling digital transformation in sectors including manufacturing, energy, transportation, and beyond.